My name is Rumaisa Sedekran. I'm born in Belgrade, Norway, and I'm 13 years old. Uyghuriya, East Turkestan, is the land of Uyghurs, currently known as Xinjiang, which has been consistently oppressed since its occupation through various kinds of strategies and policies by China. China is defining any type of activity we do. It can be going to a school, practicing our culture, dressing as a Uyghur, listening to a Uyghur song to be a criminal act, thus labeling us to be terrorists. Since 2017, China has taken a full action on ethnically cleansing Uyghur people to fully occupy the vast land, which is known to be rich in natural resources. The reasons behind this kind of cultural genocide are many, but the main reason is to replace millions of Uyghurs with Han Chinese immigrants from inner Chinese cities and farms. In order to achieve this goal, China is using different kinds of operations, including illegal detention of more than 3 million Uyghurs in the so-called vocational camps, arbitrary imprisonment, forcibly moving Uyghurs into Chinese cities. Additionally, prisoners are being subject to various kinds of physical and psychological torture, such as organ harvesting, repeated beating, electric shock, forced marriage of Uyghur girls to Chinese men. What have Uyghurs done to deserve this kind of treatment? The only crime we have committed is to be born as Uyghurs and to be rightful owners of East Turkestan. Despite all these inhuman actions of China, many of the advanced democratic countries and international peace organizations are continuing to keep their silence in the belief that China will eventually turn from its undemocratic ways and follow the path of democracy. However, if one thing is clear, is that China will never democratize and rather seek to create its own form of democracy, just as it did with socialism. The world and international community have a responsibility to its fellow human beings in so-called Xinjiang region, and therefore should take action against those perpetrating these injustices, including against the man ultimately responsible, China's President Xi Jinping. We Uyghurs sincerely demand all humans and countries around the world to stand up and support us, to be our voice, and recognize Uyghur nation to be worthy of having an independent country with its own democratic institutions. To help us, you don't need to be Uyghur, Norwegian, English, German, French, Muslim, or Christian, etc. Do this for your fellow human being. It is your duty. Written by Sara Sedekran. Thank you.